Okay. First of all, with the strap, and you're sitting up straight, feet flat on the floor, knees bent, okay, on the edge of the chair, okay. You want the saxophone to hang so this mouthpiece comes right up to your lips, okay, right up to your mouth. Now you can see this one's very low, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this center part, this plastic part here, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to pull the strap through it, and it shortens the strap so that it's now higher, okay. It probably is a little too short still. So I'm going to pull it up. Okay. Okay. And now this is going to reach my mouth, okay? And that's what you need. Now, when you have this up to your mouth, this could be twisted like this. The neck could be off to the side. And you want to make sure it goes to you, not you going to it. I see a lot of kids playing like this, or the mouthpiece happens to be twisted the other way, like that. It should go to you. Make sure it's straight, and your head is straight, and your body's straight, and it goes to you. So you're in control of the instrument. All right, here's where our fingers go on the instrument. Okay, we're going to get a close-up so we can talk about the fingers on the top hand first. All right, you're going to see some keys on the front, and what we call these are pearls, okay? You'll see, starting from this bottom key right here, let's find this part right here. These keys right here, okay? The pearl right above that, right here, okay, is where your third finger is going to go. And then right above it, your second finger is going to go. Then you'll see a small one. No finger goes there. You actually skip it, and you put the first finger down on the bigger pearls. So your fingers go on the bigger pearl here, skip this one, and then here and here. Okay. So here's some keys you can find on the instrument, and we're going to find the one right above that and put our third finger there, second finger, first finger. On the back, our thumb is going to be put on the edge of this black part here. Don't have to be all the way over. Okay, your hand might be small. You might want to put it on the end right here. Ultimately, that thumb is going to press above here on this key right here. But you just put it here for right now to rest. And again, the front keys here, skip, there, and there. Pinky is going to touch these later on when you learn more notes, but for right now, the pinky just hangs out. Okay? Now let's talk about the bottom hand. Okay? Bottom hand's a lot easier. Okay? On the back of the instrument, there's a little hook here, and your thumb is going to, right hand thumb is going to hook under there. On the other side of the instrument, there's 3 pearls, and it's just 1, 2, 3. Very simple. All right, a few cautions. There's some keys here you can actually press, and you don't want to press those. If you have a small hand, okay, and you can barely reach, you might actually be pressing some of those. I don't know if you can see that. When you're pressing these down, you might be pressing these side keys along with them. Make sure your hand is able to get around those and not press those. Okay? In the top hand, we have what we call palm keys right here. And the palm presses these down. Okay? So when your fingers are 1, 2, 3, and you're pressing down like this, You don't want to press those palm keys, okay? Else you won't get the right sound. It actually opens some keys up here, will make the wrong sounds, okay? Okay, so holding the instrument, got the top hand, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Remember to skip this middle one. Okay, pinky's hanging out here, and 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, and the thumb is under here, under the hook there. Okay. The natural position for you should be sitting up straight, letting it hang over the right hip, and it comes up to your mouth. Your fingers move, your body's straight. That's all that you should think about. Your fingers are able to move, your body's straight, you're able to look right at the music and play. Okay?